Today I'll be discussing the climate and geographic background in Panama. So I'm going to start with geography so far. Panama is situated within Central America. It is bordered by Costa Rica to the north and Colombia to the south. It functions as the isthmus between North America and South America. It is about the land area size of Nebraska, and it's characterized by having several volcanic mountains. Um, of those include Talamanca, Central Mountain, as you can see, and San Blas. San Blas is where there are a lot of coral reefs and swamps. It's also characterized by being a heavily rainforested area, and it is also where a majority of the national parks exist and the fewest amount of people live currently. There are also several islands bordering Panama. In the Gulf of Panama, there are the Pearl Islands, which are very popular with tourism. And then there is also Bocas del Toro, several islands there that are also popular. A majority of the population does live within the center part and also the coastlines of Panama. That's the most urban area. Panama also has a very tropical climate. There are quite a few rainforests throughout the country, as you can see here in the green portions. It's bordered on both sides by the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean, which can be quite unusual for a country to be bordered on both sides, especially one situated within a continent. The climate is warm and humid. They get about 120 inches of rainfall a year. And now to move on to the climate history and climate predictions for Panama. So, a little bit about the background of that is that they have a history of recently increasing temperatures from about 1950 to 2000. There was an increase of 0.5 degrees Celsius. With that, more mudslides, droughts, and floods have occurred. And with that, there's also a strange occurrence of lower rainfall. This could be a concern, especially in areas that have been deforested and in areas where soil erosion has been more severe. This is a concern because some of the most important environmental issues in Panama are the fact that there is a lot of water pollution, deforestation, and soil erosion. So climate change is definitely starting to affect this more and increase these problems. Now, with the IPCC recent report, this shows that all of these problems that have been going on will increase. In 2100, they expect that the temperature will raise by 3.3 degrees Celsius. There will be a 20% increase in evapotranspiration. There will be a 5% rain increase in certain areas, but a drastic loss in some others. This is also expected that there will be more erosion on the west coast. As you can see here, it may be pretty small, but it's showing that with the IPCC report, they're predicting there to be a lot more erosion on that coast. And then on the east coast, they expect there to be a 40% change in sea level, which could impact, again, erosion and the chance of mudslides and sea level raising. But on the bright side, there is a silver lining. There has been significant environmental awareness increase in the past few years. There has been a drastic forest recovery program that has started up in Panama, and it's expected with that increase of forest recovery It should alleviate some of the problems going on and take some of the impact of climate change in Panama. Thank you for listening.